Today I came from Mysore, visited in Ampur, where
ತೋಡಾಗಿ ಸರ್ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
where in that village Srimati Manya was married to a scheduled caste boy. His name is Vivekananda, and it was an intercaste marriage. 7-8 months back, the marriage has happened. It is also registered. This marriage is also a registered marriage. And there is a witness for this marriage, the rural circle inspector, Mr. Channananavar, and Tahsildar JB Majjigar. They are the witness. They have given a bond. After 6 months, this boy Vivekananda and his wife Manya had come to that Virapur. 10 days they have stayed there. Why these local intelligence people did not inform the higher officers? If that was taken care, this life would have been saved. And because of the intelligence failure, we have lost one precious life. And that boy Vivekananda has become orphan. Of course, he has got his father, mother. Apart from that, he lost his loved one. No, this is simply because of intelligence failure. This is a symbolic intelligence failure in the whole of the state. Intelligence is totally failed. In my district, Mysore, there is a factory which manufactures drug, and this was identified by Maharashtra police. Recently, there is a case in Bangalore that was also identified by Maharashtra police. And what is the work our local intelligence is doing? So, because of this power struggle, the administration has lost its balance. And this Virapura incident is one of such examples. And I demand the state government to give some economic package as a special program for this family, Vivekananda's family. And this boy, this time by March, April, May, he will complete his degree. He should get a government job.